Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.